Hi, my name is Eric. Welcome to this channel about van conversion and van life. In this video, I will explain how I installed and wired my solar panel without drilling any hole in my van. This video is part of a series about van conversion techniques, van life and adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. There's already a few videos and more are coming. Here's how I proceeded. First, I use a roof rack to get a grip on the van's roof. Anyway, that roof rack is such a great tool. You'll need it to attach anything you need on the roof. Surfboards, solar shower, cargo box, bikes, canoe, kayak, whatever you need. You'll be glad to have it. To fix the solar panel to the roof rack, it's pretty easy. I just use U-bolts and the brackets that comes with the solar panel. I just modify those brackets a little bit. Before installing the brackets to the solar panel, I drill holes in those brackets to fit U-bolts. Here's the hardware for the U-bolt that will grip on the roof rack's bars. Here's how I positioned the bracket on the reversed solar panel. For every bracket, there is only one single bolt to fix that bracket to the solar panel. Here's the single bolt and its components that I use per bracket. Each 4 brackets are fixed the same way. That's it, it's pretty easy. 4 brackets fixed to a roof rack. No hole drilled on the van and your solar panel is fixed. Now, let's see how to get those 2 wires from the solar panel into the van without drilling any hole. I use tie wrap to hold the wires to the roof rack body. You don't want to have any loose piece of wires that will rattle in the wind and damage everything. Then I use the tie wrap to direct those wires to the van's back door. That's from where the wires will go into the van. I place the wires along the back door, along the rubber seal of the door. I choose to enter the wires from the bottom of the door to avoid water infiltration. To keep in place the wires, I used a removable sealant. That kind of product are made to be removed easily. It is made to temporarily seal joints around windows, air conditioning, etc. Here's the result after more than a year after the application of the removable sealant. Everything is still in place. During that year, the product has been exposed to tropical climate as well as winter freezing climate with snow and ice. Anyway, replacing the product is pretty cheap and there is no damage to the body of the van. To me, it's more important keeping the van intact and replace the product if necessary. Since there is more stress movement at the entry point in the back door, I use duct tape to keep the wires in place. I just changed the duct tape for this video, not the removable sealant. To keep the wires in place while I apply the removable sealant, I also use duct tape. I put pieces of duct tape at a few places, apply the product between those duct tape pieces, then after letting dry the product, I remove the duct tape to add product at those locations. That's it, it's pretty easy, very fast, and with no damage to the van. I invite you to like the video and comment what next videos you would like me to produce. And of course, subscribe. All this is the way to let me know that you want me to produce more videos. See ya!